Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, and today we are going to take you to one of the most beautiful areas here in New Zealand. Welcome to the Bay of Islands.
So, today we're going to take a boat tour, and this time we're going to go and see the hole in the rock, maybe some dolphins. We're going to stop on an island, so it's going to be a fun day.
Woo woo! Everyone excited?
Yeah.
So we start in Paihia, then we go to Russell, yeah? Then we're gonna do like this? Like this? Is that it?
Yes, yeah, out to the hole in the rock, stop off at Otehei Bay.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about this trip. We are going on the Fuller Great Sights, and basically it's almost a full day by the time you go and come back. So we're leaving around 9:15 here. We're gonna take this beautiful boat, then we're gonna come back around 4:30, 4:15ish. It's called the Cream Trip. And we're gonna go all the way out, like Julia just said, to the hole in the rock. I think maybe downstairs there's seats, but I think we're gonna stay up here for the nice view. Like there's seats here too, but I mean, maybe there's tables down there. Let's go on a quick tour of the ship and show you around. You've got this area here, which is the second level, and it looks like the captain's area. Oh, that's where all the magic is going to happen here today. The boat is absolutely beautiful with tons of options for seating indoors or outdoors, which makes it great if you get the chance to see dolphins. Oh, look at this. We'll definitely be hitting up this spot later. And this is the different mammal life that we may see today.
Areas, please do be aware as we get under speed. They do become high wind load areas. Please make sure you hold onto your hats, caps, wigs or toupees.
So we just got this map of the entire area so we can see where we're going. Our first stop is Russell to pick up some more people. But what's really cool is they have USBs here.
Most excited about is got my fingers crossed because I really want to see dolphins, and if we do, I'll make sure to get it on film for you guys.
So what's really cool is the captain tells you all these cool fun facts about the areas that we're going to, and so does the map. Like the map tells you all these points where we're going to, and on the back tells you. And what's cool, you just told us about the treaty grounds, which we're going to tomorrow.
Chopped down on 4 separate occasions by the mischievous Maori chief Honiheke. It was 1844, the Treaty of Waitangi had been signed. He chopped it down in protest to the British flying their flag.
After picking up some passengers here in Russell, it was time for the journey to start.
Anywho, on our left-hand side, the first of the island of the Admiralty to come down into the fabled Southern Ocean.
You gotta spin the cup just right, and when it spins just right, just the right blend. Nice refreshments on board.
The area feeds some of the great war chiefs come from Te Rāwhiti.
Pretty, eh?
Get a little bit of shelter from this wind that's blowing this morning.
So this island is where we're going to be stopping for lunch. It's one of the largest islands here in the Bay of Islands. A lot of people come camping in the summer months. There's hiking, and there's even some endangered native birds that are living here amongst a bunch of sheep and ram.
So this is the Pacific Ocean we are entering, going out into.
I can see the lighthouse over there in a distance. We're here. That was really fast. It's only like 30 kilometers, which seems so short, and this boat flies. There's birds all there in a distance, which means there might be dolphins. Whoa, look at all the dolphins! Oh my gosh, look at them! What do you think, girls?
Amazing.
Oh, sorry guys, just going to put our nose into that breeze. It's going to get cold out the front.
Where'd they go, girls?
I'm not sure. It's hard to keep track.
We're
they doing?
Right here, from there.
They're there? Oh, there they are! There they come! There they are! Look at them!
Well, these guys have a top speed of nearly 75 kilometres an hour. The faster we go, the more they like it.
They go fast, don't they?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
That's so cool.
There you go. Stay in front of us now.
Wow, look at them all. That's amazing.
So many. There's so many.
Oh, very good eyesight.
Whoa, look at them all. They all
They can see you. They can
Wow.
come out of the water if they can in the water.
One just jumped, they're
They can
jumping.
dilate their pupils to let it fall. It's like depending on their environment.
Look at that.
Very, very intelligent creatures. Yeah, Mike, you've just seen a couple of little bubbers. They're just going underneath the boat now. They're
Girls, what do you think
like
of
I said, a
this?
sister ship Dolphin Seeker has got some more. And there you can see the birds are right through this area. Flies up in front of us. You see just how big they are. You're not going to be very happy with me. Hey, here they come.
Here they are. Here they are. Wow.
I do often say dolphins are like cockroaches. If you can see one, there's 10 you can't see.
Wow, look at them all.
So you see quite a few more out to our left as well. So it's quite a big pond here. It's probably maybe 100 dolphins at least.
That was so cool.
This cruise is so much fun. Definitely do it if you're here.
The next thing we're doing is going through the hull.
I can't believe how many dolphins we saw.
Yeah.
And another thing you can do on this ship,
Oh yeah, you can go on a net outside of the boat. So they put this net out and you're in the water as they're going. So it's like you're on this hammock almost thing, but it's pretty epic.
we don't know what to expect, but we're gonna do it for sure. This is a rock. The difference between a rock and an island is the greenery. So if it has moss or green or trees, then it's an island. If it has nothing like that, then it's a rock. And this is a rock.
Stands about 142 metres above sea level. It was built in 1908 in Thames and Coromandel, barged up the coast in 3 separate pieces.
So behind me is Cape Brett, where Lighthouse keepers used to live. Now they don't live there because it's automatic. And it's an 8-hour walk here, or you can take a helicopter if you have a lot of money. But you can't take a car.
No cars allowed.
Nope, cars.
Is there more dolphins?
Never guaranteed when you'll be picked up again. It does get quite grumpy out there.
There are dolphins! There's more dolphins!
Yes, I know there's dolphins in front of us. They are the wrong, well, they're not the wrong species. We've got to wait 20 minutes before we can talk about those dolphins because they are bottlenose dolphins.
Here we go, we're going to the famous hole in the rock. What did he cut? Whoa, look at that big fish they just cut.
Called a Cathedral Cave.
Cathedral
Opens up
Cave.
quite a bit once you go inside there, and
Wow.
you can actually turn a reasonable sized boat around inside the cave.
Show it again! Wow! Woo!
How do you call that?
No more sunburns in this family.
Picnic area to the right of the wharf. Shots of the Bay of Islands.
So we got how much time here? An hour and a bit?
Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones, tengo los millones, tengo los millones, tengo los millones. Porque tengo los
Next step, some nice cold refreshments.
Porque tengo los mi che 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 che. Porque tengo los mi che 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 che. Nada no me hace feliz, pero te falta yo juego con mi.
I've never seen that in my life. That bird was going upside down, upside down. I was like, what is going on? And the bird was caught on a fishing. Aw, the poor bird. Time to head back.
I'm going in, so wish me good luck.
The net was fixed, and unfortunately it's kind of put back together sideways or upside down, so we can't go in the net. But we're all jumping in first time. You ready for it? Ready for it?
I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Well, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is a
It was really cold, like really refreshing cold, more than refreshing cold.
Water could very well be one of these little hammerhead sharks. The hammerheads are pretty interesting, not just because of the shape of their head.
We are looking for hammerhead sharks.
Apparently, the babies don't go more than 30 meters deep. So I love when the boat picks up speed because it's just like really powerful when it goes, eh? Pretty cool. But we're still on the hunt for those hammerhead sharks.
Yeah.
I spotted one. So the bay behind me is the very first bay where they had a Christian ceremony. And they had about, I'm not sure how many Maori there, listening to this guy from the UK. It took them 15 years to convert the first Christian. And this is where it all started.
And then they moved to Keri Keri.
This is what I do so I don't fall asleep. Just have more coffee. We're looking for more dolphins because apparently there are some here.
Right here there should be 2 dolphins in between these 2 boats.
I don't know, I'm more focused on that beautiful boat. It's just gorgeous.
Here it is.
There they are.
There they are.
On the left, over there, yeah, just the front. So you'll see that they'll probably pretty much.
Here it goes. Boom. You see?
Oh wow.
Isn't that wild?
You can see that red algal bloom, eh? That's coming into the bay now. More every
Pretty
year.
amazing. I've never seen birds dive like that.
Look at the dolphins. Whoa, no way.
These dolphins are very efficient breathers. Here they come up with that breath of air.
Right like that.
They will replace 90% of the oxygen in their lungs.
And after a full day out on the waters, it was time to head back to Paihia.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights.
Oh my gosh, that was like a really fun-filled, amazing day here in Paihia. If you're here, definitely recommend it. So here is some of the different trips that Fuller Great Sites do. This is the one we did, the cream trip, and it's just basically a lot longer and a lot more stops. This one's a little bit shorter, but you still see a lot of the things. You still see the dolphins, the hole in the rock and such, and you stop at the island. This one has the ability to extend your stay. If you do the morning trip, then you can extend it, stop at the island, and then take the next boat back, which is pretty cool. But here you can kind of see the trek that we did. It was a really fun full day. So we saw all these different stops, which is
Yes,
just
we were the orange
phenomenal.
one.
Yeah. And then
So we did these
there's this one, which we did as well. If you haven't seen our video from the Art Tucker Thompson, definitely check out that video. We'll put the link right here. All
We
of them are
also
really
did
cool.
this one, but just on our own self-guided tour.
Yeah. This
We
one we
drove
drove,
up.
but this one you can do the same. If you haven't seen that video, check that one out too. But yeah, amazing guys, as always. Please subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye!